Measuring the EMF of an electrochemical cell. So first things first, setting up an electrochemical cell, zinc and copper. We need to clean a piece of copper and a piece of zinc. We're using emery paper / fine grade sandpaper. Clean a piece of copper and a piece of zinc using emery paper / fine grade sandpaper. And what this does is that it removes the oxide layer on the metal. And I could definitely see this being asked as 1 mark. Obviously, you need to be doing a lot of past paper questions for chemistry as well. And you can see once you do a lot of past paper questions, the practical questions, you either get 2 types, right? One where it's like describe a method, and those ones are usually a bit easier, in my opinion, because it's just memorizing a set method. Or ones where it's like suggest why this is happening, and these are the reasons. Like you could say, this practical suggests why we clean a piece of copper and a piece of zinc with using emery paper / fine grade sandpaper to remove the oxide layer on the metal. Then we degrease the metal pieces using some cotton wool / propanol, removes the grease. Why do we remove grease? Because that prevents the cell from working as efficiently. Place the copper into 100 centimeters cube beaker with about 50 centimeters cube or 1.0 moles per dm cube as copper sulfate solution. Half cell. Place the zinc into 100 centimeters cube beaker with about 50 centimeters cube or 1.0 moles per dm cube as zinc sulfate solution. Half cell. Lightly plug one end of a plastic U-tube with cotton wool and fill the tube with a solution of 2.0 moles per dm cube of sodium chloride solution, and then plug the other end. All of this ensures the ends are fully submerged in the solutions. Join the 2 beakers with a U-tube so that the plugged ends are in the separate beakers. Connect the copper solid / Cu2 plus aqueous and Zn solid / Zn2 plus aqueous half cell by connecting the metals using crocodile clips and leads. You can see here, that's your copper sulfate solution, that's your copper. That's your zinc sulfate solution, that's your zinc. There's your sodium chloride solution, that's your voltmeter. And yeah, we include a voltmeter circuit in order to read off the voltage, allows the cell EMF to be found. Instead of using a U-tube, we can use a strip of filter paper saturated with sodium chloride solution. Now, comparing the electrode potentials of different metals. Clean a piece of copper using emery paper / fine grade sandpaper, removes the oxide layer on the metal. Connect to the positive terminal of a voltmeter using crocodile clip and one of the leads. Cut a piece of filter paper to the same area as copper and moisten with sodium chloride solution, place on top of the metal. Connect a second lead to a voltmeter and use a crocodile clip to connect lead to a piece of different metal. Hold metal against filter paper, record voltage reading or the sign. And this to tell you that because the cell potential can be positive / negative, that's why we need to record the voltage reading as well as the sign. Repeat with different metals and compare electrode potentials.